Welcome to SDA Piano Music Tutorial. This is a program of the Music Department of Lagos Mainland Conference of Seventh-day Adventist Church. Right now we have a popular song, or a popular folk song, London Bridge is Falling Down. There's a bit of a variation to it, added to it, which and has been written in such a way for us to learn with. Okay, but before I play that, there's one stave exercise right up here, which I would just like us to see. Okay, let's just see how that looks like. So the right hand is full of quavers. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that's you should you should be able to get the notes yourself. All right. E, G, D, E, C, F, E, D, G, E, C. Okay. From here, F, G, E, F, D, E, C. D, E, F, D, G, E, C. All right. So these are the notes you play on the right hand. These are the notes on the right hand. And they are largely quavers. So ought to be played 2 notes in one count, 2 notes in one count. So the left hand starts from the 3rd note of the bar. There's a minim rest here. It has a 2 count rest. So this starts here. So it comes here. So these 2 are played together, right? This and so on. So from here, 1 note on the left for 2 notes on the right. This one for these 2, this note for these 2, and then this one together because they are both minims. They are both crotchets. 1 note here for these 2, 1 note for these 2, 1 note for these 2, and this note together. So I play from bar 3. All right. Okay, so London Bridge. It's a popular song. So as usual, you learn the right hand properly, you learn the left hand, and you combine slowly. On the right hand, start with finger 2 on G, and see how far this G is from the middle C. See how far it is from the middle C. So this is not the G you have to play G close to the middle C. No, it's G an extra octave from the middle C. So you cross with finger 3. Okay. Then again. 3. So I'm crossing with 3. 2, 5, 3, 1. All right. Okay, the left hand is C, G, sharp, D, G, C. So this is C and the G lower. This C is an octave lower than the middle C. This is the middle C. This is C. Your starting point is the C, an octave lower than the middle C. And the G you're playing is the G lower. You know? So finger 2 on C, finger 5 on G. Finger 2 on C, finger 5. Then finger 1 on D. And finger 5 on C. Then back to the juggle. Finger 4 on A. And then finger 2 on C sharp. And then C. And then G. And then C again. All right, D, C, G rather. So I just played it this way for you to see that there are 2 notes on the right hand for 1 note on the left hand. 2 notes on the right hand for 1 note on the left hand. That's 2 quavers for 1 crotchet on the left hand, okay? Now let's look at the second stave. It's a little, there's some activity there. That's a melody that, a phrase that has been created into the song, folk song. Not exactly part of the folk song, okay? So it's finger 1 on B, finger 2 on D, finger 4 on G. So it's like holding this chord, all right? Then F, okay, you have E, G, A, G, all right? Then go back to B again with finger 1, C, D, G. So this is like, you know, going beyond the normal 5-finger process. Because this is like leaving 1 finger for 2 notes. So that's D, G, and then finger 3 on E. And before you play this note, there's actually a note here you have to add to it. C, after you've played the D, G, E, C, okay, it's like you've ended the piece, but you start the last note of that bar is a quaver, a half note. So you quickly switch. You know, with the one you just used to play C, you switch to 2. So this leads you into the second stave. All right? This leads you into the second stave. So I play that in absence and I come here. So that note there, okay, the note you have over there takes into this B. All right? So let me add the left hand so that you know you're learning this piece for every 4 bar. You're learning 4 bars at a time, 4 bars at a time. So the left hand here is G, finger 5, B, finger 3, C, finger 2, D, finger 1, G again, B, and then C. So remember that 1 note there with finger 2. So these 2 come together now. Okay, that's 5 here and 1 here. These 2 are played together, but you first play that the note in stave 1. The last note is on stave 1. As usual, 2 notes on the right hand or 2 quavers on the right hand, 1 note on the crotchet. Okay, so like what you experienced in that on that right hand, you can see that extra note again that leads you into the bar 5. Okay, there's always a note somewhere at the ending part of the preceding bar that calls you into the what you're learning. So it happens here again. So you see the same C, but now with finger 1, and then you cross with finger 3. So that's 3, 4, 5, 3. Once you have played 3 here, you should know. That is why the numbering are no more written. You should know that finger 4 should be used to play this one, and finger 5 should be used to play this one. Okay, and then finger 3 back is used to play this. So that's why I said as you learn more in the piano course, the fingering, the numbers will be reducing, so that because we expect you now to use your intuition, based on what you've learned so far, to know how to the right finger to use for each note. So 1 cross with 3 to B, and then you have 4, 5, 3. Of course, this will be 2, 3, 4, 2. That's A. Then 1 on G. 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that okay? So from here, all right. That's what happens there. Okay. On the left hand, it's B. You have B with finger 2, and then G sharp with finger B with finger 1 rather. G sharp with finger 2. Then A with finger 1 again. F sharp with finger 2. G with finger 1, and then D with finger 2, and the lower G finger 5. So it's all right. So playing that together, it gives okay. So let's just run the exercise from the beginning, and join everything. Remember, you have to play the first stave, and then you play the second stave, and you go back to the first stave. That's where this sign, the DS Alpine, means when you play from the beginning to this point, you go back to the beginning and end where you have the word fine, all right, or the symbol fine. Okay, so it's finger 3, finger 2 that starts it. Maybe I should expand it for you to see. And say it is finger 2. Finger 2, finger 3, finger 2, finger 1. Then cross with finger 3. Of course, this should be 4. This should be 5. All right. And 2 here. Then this should be 3. This should be 4. And then 3 on E. F, G. That's 3, 4, 5. So, and then you quickly return again with finger 2. 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, 1, 3. Okay. So to run the exercise, it goes thus. There's a small exercise here. You just want to check it. So you can take time and check and look at it. It's a unison. Just play everything as it is. All right. Just play the way you see it, and you can always fix it later on. We'll be seeing the next lesson, and I think we'll be learning something new and exciting also. Thank you.